Warning, life support systems offline. Warning, reactor malfunction detected. Power level critical. Warning, emergency power at 30%.
Oh no, we're too late.
Looks like they couldn't hold out any longer. Check the elevator. It might still be working.
Damn! Life support is down and the reactor is malfunctioning. We need to restart it.
Without life support, we'll be dead long before you reach the reactor.
So, you want me to head to the botanical section?
Yeah. Emergency power should keep life support running long enough for you to get the reactor back online.
Why is it always me doing all this shit? What if this time I just shift into a wolf, run around, and lick my balls, huh?
First, you can't control your transformation. Second, you don't have balls. But if you're offering to lick some...
Okay, I get it. We'll talk about your balls later. Wait, hold on. They sent a specialist to restore life support before the lichens broke in.
Good. You need to find him.
Her. The specialist is a woman. Her name is Miho.
Whatever, just find her.
Fine, I'll go. But you better tell your wolf side to watch my back.
I'm always watching your back.
I'm just gonna pretend you're not talking about staring at my ass the whole time, okay?